Now, if I've got solving two-step equations using backtracking, so let's put an example of 2x plus 5 equals 23. Okay, so let's start off here. I've got an x, and then my first part here, I'm just going to underline here in yellow, is a 2x. So what I need to put in here is I need to put times 2. All right, so I'm going to be left with 2x. Then my next step here is plus 5, so I'm going to put a plus 5 there. And so what I'm left with is 2x plus 5. And we said that that was equal to 23, so I've got 23 there. Now, if what I've got up the top here is plus 5, so my inverse operation to that is subtraction. So I'm going to go put down here, I'm going to go minus 5. So I'm going to go 23 minus 5, and that's going to equal 18. Okay? And now I'm going to go, so what I'm going to write here, I'm going to write 18. Okay, because it's 23 minus 5 equals 18. Now, what's my next operation that I have to do an inverse of? It's up here. I'm going to go here. That's a multiply. So therefore, I need to divide. So I'm going to put a divide by 2. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. So my answer is x equals 9. So that's how we can use backtracking for solving one-step and two-step equations. Okay, so we're going to look at solving two-step equations by balancing now. So I'm going to put an example here of go 2x plus 5 equals 23. So what we want to do here is, and again, I want x to be by itself. All right, and it's better to sort of look at the things furthest away from the x to start with. And by that I mean, in this example, it'll be the plus 5. I want to get rid of that 5 first, because the 2x, I'd have to do some other, and it gets too complicated. So let's get rid of that plus 5 first. So if I go 2x plus 5 equals 23, if you remember what I did before with the, if I'm doing one step, I'd go minus 5 that side and minus 5 that side. So now I've got 2x equals 23 minus 5 would be 18. Okay, and now I can go 2x equals 18, and the next step is to divide this by 2, because remember I can divide by 2, because that's what I need to do here. I need to remove that that 2 from there. So that means if I divide this side by 2, I need to divide that side by 2, and 18 divided by 2 equals 9. So that's how we can solve two-step equations by balancing.